You see the man crying. This man is 52. He said he wasn't interested when he was 27, 28, and 30. He wasn't ready to get married. Now that he grew up, in fact, when he look at, he see people that are 30 years and they're getting married. He believes that these people, you have not built house. You have not make money. He believes that a man should make big money before getting married. This our brother said, but he himself focused on making money. Now he's 52. He has made his money. But another thing is this. He began to look for the women of his choice. He said the women of his choice, it is all these small girls that just enter year 1, year 2 in university. He said if he's not lying, that he has gotten like more than 20 of them when he bring them for dating. So they come and stay in his house maybe 6 months. After 6 months, that one will come, that one will go. After, he said the highest one that stayed for 1 year. That 1 year is not that one. That when he vacate from school, he come to his house. After everything, wasted time. He noticed that these children, these young girls, they are not even interested in getting married. And he said he don't know that women also have their time. That a lot of women are not just ready to jump into marriage. Our brother has come to encourage a lot of men. There is nothing, and he said, there is nothing like when you are young, 30, 35, you fall in love, or you see a woman who is in love with you. He said, get married to that woman who is in love with you. Because when you wear out 50 to 60, the women that comes into your life, they come into your life to benefit. They come into your life because of what they are saying. In fact, they must see something before they come into your life. They check you whether you're rich. They check you whether there is something tangible you're doing. They cannot just follow you. You see, this is his experience. Women comes to check him, not him selecting them. They are the one. And you know another thing. He said there was a girl that loved him. He wanted to marry. And 2 of them are everything. When he went to and carry the first wine, then the second wine, for him to go and pay bride price. One day somebody was saying that there was somebody who wanted to marry that girl before. But that man did not come. He asked the girl, but why didn't you tell me that somebody came to marry you before and you refused? And the girl said, I don't think it's necessary. He said, these are the only reason why he left this marriage. He left the girl and went out. And today that girl is married to another person. And he thought that women, anytime you want to marry them, you just go there and marry them. He said, I should tell you, my fans, that everyone should be careful. Marry who loves you. Marry who comes for you. Marry who has good character. Marry who you can manage. Marry who is there and have patience with you. A lot of men are making mistakes. Some ladies will even run to your house. They do everything for you, worship you, love you. You notice that person will stand up and move to another person who did not even love you and get married to that person. Our brother has said I should share this, his experience, for people to hear. And when they hear this, they know that it is not easy. Marry when you are still young. And marry when you can see a lover. It's very good. This is what our brother said I should tell you. What are your own experience? Please put it down on the comment section so that people will go through it and they will say, wow,